In this video, I'm going to show you how to insert a column in Microsoft Excel and how to format that column with a quick little trick. So here I have a imaginary sheet of sales figures, and along this side I want to insert a new column that will allow me to put names of my salespeople so that I can track their sales per month. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go over here to A, right? This is the column before where I want to insert the new column. So just like if I was in B, if I hit insert right here, it would put it between A and now C, right? Go over here in A, I'm just going to hit insert. It will drop it in to the left, right? So now that we have this, I'll have Bob and Joe. They'll be my salespeople right here, and here will be their sales figures. But one thing I want to do is I want to format this right here. So I want to format these cells. Oh, excuse me. What I'm going to want to do is after I insert that, I'm going to actually click this button right here that comes up. You're not going to have the chance, like I just showed you, to do this after you start writing things in that column. So what you're going to want to do is hit that drop down, and you're going to hit format same as right. Okay, and then that'll steal the formatting from over here so that I can say sales people, right? And then to make that space properly, I'm just going to put that right there. And then I can go in and put Bob and Joe. So there's a little bit of debugging of your problems right along with the explanation of it. So anyhow, that's how you insert a column, and that's a quick little trick for formatting that column inside of Microsoft Excel. I hope that helped you, and thanks for watching.